am looking for Le Hobby Lobby. Oh, it's over there. Duh. Okay. Not me looking for Hobby Lobby and she just big and bold right there. All right, then. Okay, y'all. So, my camera, I think my memory card is messed up because it's saying read only, so I couldn't take stuff off my memory card. So I can film my camera. So I have my camera in my bag for nothing. But I'm in Ikea. I just returned some things that I had brought when I was moving into my new apartment. And hold on. So I just got these 2 shelves. I'm going to use them for my perfumes. And y'all, I'm so out of breath. I gotta go pee. I'm trying to hurry up because I came all the way out to Maryland to come to Ikea. And these aren't the 2 shelves that I want. I probably showed me putting the shelves together, but these aren't the shelves that I wanted. But they're literally, it was like 3 I was looking at, which was this style and 2 other styles that I'll probably insert on the screen. I was looking at on the website, but they're not that different for me to really care and be like, oh my God, no, I should wait for the other one. Not really. No, they're not that different. So I'm in Maryland. I'm getting these. I'll show y'all me putting them together later maybe because it's my day off. So I want to put these together so I can clear my dress off because I'm still not done. Like, I put my house together in 2 weeks, but it's like some finishing touches before I actually do a apartment tour. So yeah, bear with me, guys. It's not that I don't want you here. Alright, y'all, so let's a quick little OOTD. This is my pussycat suit from Shop So Real and my checker coat from Shein. These are the little Converses with the little, it's like a Sherpa Converse with the Sherpa Converse with the little platform thing in it. They're okay. They're more comfortable than the regular ones though. My pillow purse from Levant, my Twilly scarf from Shein, my Virgo necklace, just some earrings, my ring from my boyfriend, and that's it. Oh, and this silver watch I think I got from my mama. But yes, y'all, that's the OOTD. And y'all, excuse the girls, they out because that's just how this outfit is. I hate that. But yeah, I came here to smell perfumes, y'all, but didn't have much, and I'm shocked because this is Macy's. But yeah.
Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kind of lonely. But I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call who, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you, what you wanna do, make 'em know you can be my teacher. I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby. I'll do more work. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you. The mood is so right, so right. You can be my prince, my night. You can be my Superman, save me in my air. 'Cause
Okay, y'all, so I am, my edges look sweat out, but whatever. So I don't know what this is. Something at White Marsh. I don't know, y'all. I'm in Baltimore, though. So I think, don't quote me because I really don't know. I know I went to the Ikea and it said Baltimore. So I'm assuming I'm in Baltimore because Ikea is across the street. But, now it's so hard when you're recording, it's so hard not to look at yourself and to just look like directly into the camera. But yeah, going in Ulta. I just want to see a couple of scents real quick because I don't know, I still don't like being outside much, to be honest, but I'll let y'all know when I'm outside of Ulta because I don't think I can film it here. Okay, guys, so I've went into Ulta. I've smelled a few perfumes. I see some more on my list. Now, I am such a fragrance head, frag head, whatever people call it, but I just love smelling good. I've always loved fragrances, but you know when you're younger and you're like in school and stuff, you don't have a job, you can't buy all the perfumes you want unless you're rich. So now that I'm an adult, I make my own money and stuff like that, I have been going crazy. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you know. So I am going to, or at least I'm going to attempt to do a few perfume series for you guys. I want to do a video. I'm going to do a perfume series, right? I'm going to do a few videos. I'm going to do a Mason Francis Kirkshawne video, one video on Killian fragrances, one on niche houses, like how to find a niche house that you like, what to expect from niche houses, and like how to like dibble and dabble into fragrances. Like you should be buying testers and sample sizes. You should not be blind buying unless you have money and you don't care. So yeah, but I'm about to get in the car, go to Chick-fil-A with my babies and my mama, and then go home. I'll talk to y'all when I get to the house. Bye, y'all. So I have to start working in a few hours. So y'all, I'm just showing y'all like the before of how my dresser looks. I have so many samples and I'm not putting them all on my dresser. I have to buy something to put the samples in. But I am putting, because I'm gonna get a TV and it's gonna be right here. I'm not mounting it. I don't like mounting TVs. I mounted TVs at my old house and it was just too much like damage in my opinion. I'm gonna get one of them little stands. There's like a stand that looks like you mounted the TV, but it's just a skinny stand with some things on the bottom. I'll probably insert a picture, but I'm gonna get one from Amazon and then get my TV and put it right in between. And yeah, so we're going to take these perfumes and put them up. I will show y'all while I do it, but since I am filming from my phone, and I actually need my phone for other purposes right now, can't do it. I have to go to the store and get a new memory card. I'm playing for real. I really do need to get a new memory card because, yeah, no. But like I was telling y'all, these were too easy to put together. Like 2 of them in an hour, basically. That ain't bad. Like, it was too easy. And I'm pretty sturdy. And for now, I'm just putting the perfumes in there. But I think I want to get some of them little clear perfume stands. Just so that, like, the perfumes are on different heights. So I can see different perfumes and I don't forget about perfumes, you know? So, yeah. That's what I'm going to do for right now. It's really junky in here. But, you know, we being honest and, you know. So I'm going to take all of these out the boxes. And these Habibis out the boxes, and then these, and I'm going to put them, you know, where I want to put them, depending on the brand and the colors and stuff like that. This is just my small display for now, Because honestly, I think in a few months, it's not going to be enough to hold my perfumes. So, yeah. And when I move into my house, like my house that I'm going to buy, I'll just get like a custom perfume situation going on. But for now, this will do, okay? It's cute, it matches, and that's that. Okay, so let me stop rambling. Maybe I'll show y'all a little bit of me putting them in there. But we are here, you guys. I'm going to get some black ornaments and maybe some white ones.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you do. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, ML.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day.
Get me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna move deep, deep, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send
Yeah. But I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call boo. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do, now it's me and you, the mood is so right, so right. You can be my kryptonite. Save me here right now, 'cause baby, there's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise that I will never let you go. There's nothing I won't do.
Okay guys, so I went over my budget for today and I'm not going to Target or Walmart today. I'll probably go next week, but as far as today, I think this should be enough to get the tree looking how I want to, because the rest of the stuff that I left wasn't like tree ornaments. It was like around the house decoration. And I think next week I want to go get a new blanket for my living room couch and some new throw pillows, because I honestly think I'm tired of the decor in there right now. Honestly, I think I don't like it anymore, so I'm gonna change the colors out, which will most likely probably be I'll probably get like a black throw and trunk all junky. Ain't my trunk, so don't judge me. But I'm gonna get some alright y'all, so we are at Giant. I should go in the wine and spirits, because this wine and spirits is like the premium collection. They got some nice stuff, but I don't even really drink alcohol. I brought some alcohol from my house, like decoration. And then like I have like I think that brand is called rum chata, but it's like the peppermint kind. Man, that's gonna make a good milkshake. I might cut this out, cause wait. I need some kombucha.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will know what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
Excuse me. $30 later. Oh my gosh. I should have got up earlier. I'm not really mad at nobody but myself because I woke up Kennedy so she could get on school, and then I went back to sleep. I'm not being hard on myself because it is my day off and I'm tired. I just don't like, this is my last day off and I go back to work tomorrow. So now it's like, damn, the day almost done already.
Get me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the eye of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can
Hey guys, Editing Kaydeen here. This is the end of the vlog. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. This is the last video of the year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, and your enemies. Don't be stingy with me, and I'll see you guys in 2022. Bye.